Hey everyone! Welcome to flowwork.ai, your go-to platform for seamless workflow management. Today, I'll show you how to create teams at two key levels, the global level and the local level, which includes realms, buckets, and folders. Let's get started. At the global level, teams are created within a workspace to manage large-scale collaboration across departments or projects. To set up a team, log in, or sign up to flowwork.ai, it's super quick and easy. Select the workspace where you want to create your team and click on Manage Workspace. Then go to the Teams section and click Create Team. Personalize your team by adding a name, an icon, and a color to keep everything organized and visually recognizable. Next, in the Select Members section, add individual users by typing their name, email, or contact number, and then submit. For larger teams, structuring them into smaller, focused groups ensures better organization and efficiency. With flowwork.ai, you can create teams within teams to streamline workflows. Simply select the teams you want to group under a department and organize them into specialized units such as Java team, React.js team, Node.js team, AI team under development. For more focused teamwork, you can create teams within realms, buckets, and folders by navigating to the tab section, selecting teams, and then choosing the option to create new teams. By following the same steps, you can seamlessly set up teams at both the global and local levels, ensuring structured collaboration across your workspace. Try it out now and take your workflow efficiency to the next level.